Alright guys, so today in this video, I'm about to show you guys how you can check elevation using Google Maps on your desktop computer. So yeah, you log into your Google Maps and then you need to zoom in to wherever that you guys wanted to check elevation. So for right now, I'm going to check elevation on specific this location. So as you guys can see right here, I am not able to see any kind of elevated number or how much height this is. So to see that, you will need to choose on this layer button and you need to choose from satellite to terrain mode. All right, so click on this terrain mode and make sure that you have enabled this terrain view typography and elevation. All right, sorry, it's topography, not typo. So you can see as soon as you guys have switched to terrain mode, you are now able to see these numbers. So these are the elevation number that you guys are looking at right now. So you can see on bottom, it's like 1400 meter, and after you climb this hill, it's about 1700 meter, as you guys can see right here as well. So you can't zoom too much. If you try to zoom this, like boom, there you go, you are now on default mode. So this is why you guys should not be able to zoom, like insane zoom. You can't do that if you wanted to check elevation. So this is how you should check elevation on your Google Map desktop. So just make sure that you don't zoom too much. All right, so you can check the elevation of anything here, for example this one as well. And you can also see here, these are the elevated number that you can see those data. So if you guys wanted to check on your mobile version, then click on this video. So if you guys wanted to see more precisely, you can check this video. So yeah, I hope you like this video as well. See you guys in the next one. Peace.